emergent weather message for the following county: Tuscarawas County, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Coshocton County and east central Ohio, southern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 8 miles southwest of Baltic, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Coshocton, West Lafayette, Baltic, Sugar Creek, Bakersville, Newcomerstown, Stone Creek, Uricksville, New Philadelphia, Hutton, Gilmore, Dover. This will impact the following highway: Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile marker 62 and 83.
The forecast for northeastern